Hello everyone. Yesterday we have see a first poems, first or second stanza, rain in the night. We have see yesterday. Nowadays the rainy season is going on, so how to come the rains means sometimes loud or sometimes soft, or how to looks like after the rain our streets. These all the things we are see yesterday. Today we are see about the plants, about the flowers, how to looks like the plants and flowers that we are see. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court. After the rain going, that time are you observe the rose or another flowers? How looks they are? Yes, we are see that on that roses flowers or another flowers, some water drops are falling down or some water drops are having on that flowers, and how they looks that water drops? They are looks like a diamonds. That water drops are looks like a same as it is a diamonds. And house there looks like that roses, the kings and queens. Everyone know about the kings and queens. They are having in the court, the king's courts. So in the king court, the king and queens are wearing the diamonds, or that roses also looks like the kings and queens, means the kings and queens also wearing the diamonds and they are sitting into the court. So like this, same like this, that roses also wearing the diamonds, means that water drops are looks like a diamonds and they are having onto the that plant, and that roses are looks like same in same or looks like that kings and queens, those are having into the court. Means here the roses and the kings and queens are the as they are making a comparison between them. Or here that water drops, their water drops are looks like a diamonds, means that water drops, the poet said that water drops means a diamonds, or they totally looks like a diamonds. But the penises all get muddy because they are so short. Now you're looking that, I think you're seeing, you're look that the big whatever the big plants are having, big trees are having, they are get muddy because of the muds after the rain. No, only there are some things, some part of that plants they are get muddy because they are growing up for the, and the rainwater is falling down onto the earth, and they cannot get muddy, that big plants. But panises, you know, panises means very small or short, that grass, very small and short grass, it's called the panises means they are a very small plants. They are having a yellow, purple or white or velvety flowers, velvet petals flowers. So this is the panises, and they are very short, and because of that after the rain, all the rainwater is collected, and then that rainwater also totally a muddy, and because of that rainwater and because of that mud, that all the pants are totally get muddy, means they are totally get dirty, means all the mud or all the soil whatever they are collected, whatever that mud having into the water, they are going onto that pants, and they are totally going dirty. Because why they are totally going so dirty? Because they are so short. I will sell my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places. Now see that poet, that girl was making a plan for tomorrows. She was making a plan for tomorrow. What she was make the plan for tomorrows? She said, I will sail my boat tomorrow. Now she want to be sail her boat. See, everyone having, when you are now, you are small, after the rainy season everyone have a boat. So same as it is, that girl, that small girl also having a boat, and she want to sail her boat. Where she want to sail her boat? She want to find a wonderful new places. See, now just look that she have a real boat, that small girl having a real boat, and she can sail the boat. She have a boat, or she cannot sail the boat. So which boat she will be a make? She will be make a paper boat, and she will be a sail that boat a new places, means she will be a sail that boat into the puddles, or whatever the lakes are, or whatever the that gutters are having around the streets, or wherever the water will be collected, she will be a sail her boat there. And that girl also making the plan about sailing the boat on tomorrow. But first, I will take my watering pot and wash the penises' faces. But she was making this plan for tomorrow. She want to do these things are today. No, she want to make this plan for tomorrow. But first of all, what she want to do? Now she want to take her watering pot. Now everyone know what is the watering pot. Now look in these pictures having her, that girl, and the girl's hands having some one pot, that is the watering pot. And now she thought that now she want to take her watering pot in her hand, she want to take a water. And we are see that the pansies, that small plants, they are having the flowers, the different colors flowers that are totally get muddy. And now she want to be a clean or wash that pansies. And she was decided that first of all she will be a clean or wash that pansies faces, and afterwards tomorrow will be she going to a new places for making tomorrow she will be going on the new places for sailing her boat. This way we are see the first poem, Rain in the Night. Now I think whatever we are learning in this poem, everyone taking the same experience in your life. Means sometimes coming the big rain, sometimes coming a small rain. There sometimes their sound will be a loud, sometimes their sound will be a soft. After the rainy season, everywhere collected the water, so somewhere puddles are, somewhere lakes are. On the street also collected the water. Around the streets there will be a, the water will be a blowing from there, or there looks like a rivers. Then after the rain, when after the rain will be a going, after that this some water drops are falling onto the roses flowers or another flowers, they are looks like a diamonds, and that the diamonds are looks like a kings and queens, whatever they are wearing, and they are sitting into the court. After that we are see a small plants, means panises or small grasses are, they should be a get dirty because they are so short. If the plants are growing up, or if the plants are big, they did not dirty, but the small panises or small grass or small plants totally dirty. Then small childrens, after the rainy season, the small childrens are the making the plans for tomorrow's. What plans they are making? They are making the paper boats and selling these boats into that whatever water collected into the whatever waters are collected from the rain, they are selling their boat there. And but see that girl, whatever the girls are showing in our poem, she will be kindly hurted. Now because of that she decided that first of all tomorrow's planning, before that she want to be a clean the or wash the penises faces. This way we are see our poem. For you having some homework, just here giving some two words, whatever the hard words, their meanings are also having, you can learn it, or you can just write in your notebook. You have a homework for that. Read and learn the poem, write this poem in your notebook, and the questions are here. Answer the following questions. How long has it been raining? The raining is all night long, or whole night long the rain is going on. Or some questions are given here. What effect will the rain have on the following? What you should think? What is the effect on having the kitty? What is the effect of rains having on the roses? Or what is the effect on having pansies? You should write answers in the notebook. What is the child planning to do the next day? What plan she was doing for the next day? You should find the answers, or you should make the answers from the poem and write the. And second question is there, describe in 3 to 5 lines what happens when it rains in your surroundings. Everyone know, everyone's surroundings are rains are coming, so what happening in your surroundings after the rain, or what you feel after the rain, you should write in your notebook.